It's a beautiful day. Don't let it slip away. I'm headed to the Columbia River Gorge to run a race tomorrow, and I'm excited. I got my road tripping shirt on. See you there. The Dalles Dam.
Turn left to merge onto I-84 West toward the Dalles.
Barge is on the river, train on the other side. The other side of the river is Washington State. I'm at Marine Park in Cascade Locks. That ahead is Bridge of the Gods. I love that bridge. This park is where the race is ending tomorrow and where we get on the shuttle bus and they take us out to the start. Aha, there's where the finish is going to be tomorrow. Gorge Waterfalls. They're getting the finish chute set up. Oh my gosh. This is going to be awesome. Oh, there's all the porta potties down there. That's good. Ooh, they have an indoor pavilion there. That'll be nice. Adventure Medics is here. Lovely Cascade Locks. I love it here in the gorge. It's my power place. I just have a perpetual smile on my face. See? Hello.
Thank you.
Thanks very much. We are crossing Bridge of the Gods. That's Hamilton Mountain, I think. Table Mountain. Woo! Wow. People who are doing the PCT, the Pacific Crest Trail, walk over this bridge. The bridge deck is a grate, so you can see right down to the water. I'm going to be staying in Stevenson on the other side of the river because it's a lot cheaper. Just a few miles up the road. Gorge Waterfalls 30k. I'm in wave 4, the fourth at last wave. Just about ready to start here. I'm ready to go and see waterfalls. Yeah!
Let's get you going. 5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's go.
Go! Woo, 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 woo! Yeah!
Have a great race.
Woo, 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 woo!
Good job, good job, good job.
Woo, 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 woo! Yeah! Woo, woo! It's an awesome day!
Good work, good work.
Oh, yeah! Woo, woo, woo! Multnomah Falls, y'all. Talus Slope Crossing. Gorgeous view. Wow. This is Oneonta Gorge. I haven't been here since before the fire. This was heavily forested, tons of trees. Now you can see it's all burned trees. Wow, it looks nothing alike. And we're gonna go over that little bridge down there and then the trail on the other side. Woo! Yeehaw! Oneonta Gorge. Oh, my favorite bridge. Oh, here we go. Yeehaw! I don't believe I'm looking down. Okay. Whee! Back up we go. Okay, guys, here's a treat. Ponytail Falls. Check this out. Woo, woo, woo. We get to go behind it. Woo-hoo! Wow! Hell yeah! Woo, 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 woo! Freaking awesome. Woo, 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 woo. Awesome day. Bull rain, purple rain. Sing it. All right. Yeah. Purple
Nice work.
rain. Yeah. Awesome. Quick gel and I'm out of here. Purple rain. Thank you, volunteers. Appreciate you. Woo. Going down. Yeah. Whew. Okay, this is hard. Almost 2 miles in. I'm working so hard. And this is my reward. Woo! Yeah! Woo! I made it here, 10 miles in. That's like all that matters. Now I have to try and beat the cutoff in like a little over 2 miles. See you there. Rocks. Little rickety bridge. Woo! Come on, legs, you got this. I don't like the looks of that. Yowza. Okay. Okay. Did I make it? Did I make it? Did I make the cutoff? Well, they're right there. I know.
You're ahead of them.
I pushed so hard to get here. What time is it? 2:24?
2:24.
No way! There was no way I could have gotten here by 2.
Hey, you're doing awesome.
I am.
Yeah.
I worked so hard for this. And this is hard.
It's not easy. 1% of the population of planet Earth doing it.
Thank you. Thank you for being here. I'll see you guys.
You're gonna continue or are you
Hell yeah, because I know I can do it. Is that okay with you guys?
We're gonna double check.
Yeah.
Okay.
We have to follow the
If it's not, I understand. I worked hard. I couldn't have done any more today.
Yeah, so if you can keep going forward, but it just won't be part of the race, and they'll be in front of you.
Oh.
Because they have to catch back up with the other two sweeps.
Oh. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's good.
So, you want to keep going?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I do.
I'm just going to take the bib, but you're going to get another one at the end.
Oh, right.
You weren't that far ahead of you.
I'll see you at the finish line.
Thank you, too.
Make sure I was making those open. Okay, you're good.
Thank you so much. Oh, I know I do. I know. My legs feel great on the downhill. For some reason, they don't today on the uphill. But I'm doing fine. Thank you so much, everybody. You're beautiful. Maybe I'll do. We're still recording. They let me go. I didn't know this was still recording. Okay, I gotta turn it off so I can get finish line. Bye. Finish is right there. Right there. See? Woohoo. Okay. I get the full experience. So grateful. The gorge is my power place. And she continues to remind me that she's in charge. What a beautiful day. What a gorgeous day. What a day. What a day. What a day. What a day. Yeah. Yeah. All right. I don't care how long it took.
Hey!
Thank
Oh
you.
my God! Oh, you did it!
Of course I did it.
Proud of you! I'm so proud of you! You're super neat.
Oh, I'm gonna drink out of this. Oh, super. Thank you. Hey,
You did it.
thanks.
It wasn't easy.
No. Aid station at mile 12. My legs didn't want to go uphill. They were dead. But I was able to run the downhills. But then after that, I kind of got a little bit of second wind. So I'm happy.
Go
So
get warm before there's.
okay. Daybreak racing.
Yes, you are so awesome.
Oh man, that was fucking hard.
Yeah.
But I did it, and that's all that matters.
Your name?
Laura.
Laura, I'm so glad
Laura
you're here.
Cantor.
You look good coming into Ainsworth. We're dancing to Purple Rain.
Oh, you were there.
Was.
Oh, that was mile 5, right?
That was mile 5.
Yeah. So here I am, 4.5 months after Gorge Waterfalls race, reviewing my video, and I discovered, hey, I didn't have any way to wrap this up. I basically just quit filming. So this is a wrap up and my thoughts about that race. That day around mile 7 was the last time my brain started spiraling downward. It was beginning to tell me, as in my previous running life, hey, are those the sweeps right behind us? Again? You're last again? Why does this keep happening? And then I caught my brain. And I said, I'm here because I worked hard to get here. Everybody else is here because they worked hard to be here. And we're all out here just doing what we can do. So we're going to enjoy the day. You're in this gorgeous place. Soak it all in. Brain, I need you to be an ally with my heart, my lungs, my legs. We're all working for the same thing today. And things changed. And I finished the race super happy. I'm glad I showed up. I'm glad I completed the distance. And here is that finisher's souvenir I got. Gorge Waterfalls, like drinking pint glass. And I got to have 2 pints of kombucha. Ooh, it tasted so good. But anyway, that is not a DNF, and that's just the beginning of my summer of DNFs. So stay with me, and I'll tell you about the others and how it all just turned out fantastically. See you soon. Till next time.